show you how you can use your teaching space when you're teaching a group class. We'll need props, of course, and a whiteboard. This isn't going to work. You need to back up. Ah, that's better. There you go. Now I can stand up, spread out, and use big actions. Because when you're teaching a group class...
Okay. Ooh, what is this?
When delivering a group class, you'll be played into an actual classroom on a large TV. So you should adapt your teaching style as if you were in a real classroom.
It's all black.
And let's be honest, when you're teaching a group, you need to work a little bit harder to keep their attention. Isn't that right? So let's play a game. Up, down. Everybody, up. Good. Down, down. Up. Good job. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Okay guys, next game. What animal can you see? Oh, what is it? What? Oh, what is it? Good job! It's a panda! Good job! Fly a plane! Ding 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 ding! Ding 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 ding! Ding 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 ding! Good job! Ride a bike! Good job! Drive a car! Well, if that doesn't keep them focused, I don't know what will. You might even lose a little weight doing these group classes.